TikTok affiliate marketing. I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok effectively. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you have low conversion, you do not know how to generate lead, okay? Your lead do not convert. Maybe you are struggling exactly with generating lead for your affiliate marketing business. In this video, I will share with you step-by-step process on how you can do TikTok affiliate marketing. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. My name is Evis Jamoni. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays you on a weekly basis. Okay, so let me show you how to do TikTok affiliate marketing right here. Now, when you get your TikTok account, as you can see, this I'm on my TikTok account right here, which is digital marketing. Okay, and then once you get to the place, what you need to do first of all, you need to optimize your bio. Let your audience know what you are doing. Okay, you can see on my bio I said here I teach how to make money online. Okay, more guide. Let's start here. Let's start. I put my phone number here. Okay, now there are things you need to do first of all before you start promoting affiliate marketing with your TikTok account. Number one, you need a landing page, and I will show you how to do that right now. For you to create a landing page, you can do it in two ways. Either you use system.io or use card.co. Okay, but for now, you can also as well use your website. Okay, what you need to do first of all, you look at here in this your bio, you put your landing page link here. Okay, now let me click some of my videos so you can see for yourself how it look like. Okay, like this one here, when I click on it right there, it's just an image, okay, with a write-up saying, I am not a millionaire, but digital marketing will pay you, at least will pay me $100 this month. Okay, as always, join new class, link in bio. So I put here link in bio. What they need to do by the time I do it this way, when they are done watching my content, some of them it will get to their news feed. Once they see my content like this, next thing they will do, they will just go to my bio. When they click on my bio, as I've told them, it will take them to my landing page. And let me open it in a new tab so you see how my landing page look like. Okay, my landing page specifically talk to my TikTok audience. It is specifically designed for them. So it will talk to their pain points, agitate them, and let them get started. Okay. Like this is it here now. Affiliate marketing, affiliate marketers in Nigeria, TikTok to paycheck, become a digital marketing boss. So now above the fold, I said discover how affiliate marketers in Nigeria and Africa uses TikTok and WhatsApp to make at least $100 to $200 monthly comfortably. I put my flyer here, then I give them a few bullet points. Ever wonder how creators turn their TikTok fame? So I startly, I talk to them based on where they are coming from. Okay, I resonate them with my landing page, and then I explain to them what they will learn, how to make money with social media, content marketing, Google ad, Facebook marketing. Then I make a full bullet point of their benefit. Then I'll now include link to join my WhatsApp group training. So when they click on this link right here, okay, the link will just open to my WhatsApp. They will join my WhatsApp group. Do you see it here now? So that is how they do it. And you can see in this group, this is the new group. I have up to 42 members in it. They have just requested assets. It's for me to, once they get to the number I want for them to get to, I will start teaching them about my affiliate marketing business, and hopefully they're going to get started. You can see one person I've joined right now, one person. Okay, so this is exactly how to do affiliate marketing. Okay, using your TikTok account. Remember, what you need to do, you need to build a good landing page. It's very, very important to build a landing page that converts, and then you can create video content or create image content like this. Okay, if you are interested to learn how I make money, I am a student make money with affiliate marketing. All you need to do, first of all, like this video. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Okay, and then comment in the comment section, I want to learn more about affiliate marketing. Remember to use the link in this video description to contact me, to get to me on WhatsApp, so I get to guide you through and show you how to start making money on affiliate marketing. Okay, bye for now. Peter cares. See you later.